So today once we'll go for all the models of differentiation, integrations and definite integrations. We'll go for all the models once, okay? Then there is no confusion at all. So always keep in mind, once 2 minutes I'll explain all the formulas. D by dx of x to the power of n into x to the power of n minus 1. But integral exponent dx, x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. But here we don't take n is not equal to minus 1. Don't take n is minus 1 except this condition only. Okay, so and again keep in mind d by dx of sin x cos x, but don't confuse integral sin x dx minus cos x, and again d by dx of tan x, cos x minus sin x, but integral cos x dx sin x plus c. Okay, and d by dx of log x 1 by x, but integral 1 by x dx log x. So this point you should keep in mind, everybody. Okay, don't confuse at all. Now we'll go for the numericals one by one. Given the functions, just you find the values of that. You find all the values. 4 problems. Find d by dx of all. Find d by dx of all. So d by dx of sine 3x cos 3x into d by dx of 3x 3. So d by dx of sine 3x is what? 3x is a x now. D by dx of sin x is cos x, nothing but cos 3x into, how we write this d by dx of sin 3x? Shortcut manner, cos 3x into d by dx of 3x. So d by dx of 3x is 3. So 3 cos 3x. Similarly, d by dx of cos 2x minus sin 2x into d by dx of 2x. Next, d by dx of e power minus 3x, e power minus 3x into d by dx of minus 3x. d by dx of minus 3x is what? Minus 3. Log x 1 by x. d by dx of sin 2x, 2 cos 2x. Now check the answers everybody fast. Like y equal to sin 3x plus 2. What is d by dx of this? So d by dx of sin 3x plus 2. Sin 3x plus 2 derivative cos 3x plus 2 into d by dx of 3x plus 2. d by dx of 3x plus 2. d by dx of 3x plus 2 is what? 3 only. Next, y equal to 2x plus 3 whole power 4. So dy by dx of this, d by dx of 2x plus 3 whole power 4. It's in the form of what? d by dx of x to the power of n. d by dx of x to the power of n. Therefore, n into x to the power of n minus 1 over, and again you write the derivative of d by dx of 2x plus 3. d by dx of 2x plus 3 is what? 2 only. So this value is what? 8 into 2x plus 3 whole power 3. Next, fifth one. Otherwise, we go for substitution method. Function of a function, differentiation of function of a function. Now y equal to x square plus 3x plus 2 whole cube. So what is d by dx of this? So d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 2 whole power 3. Okay. So it's in the form of d by dx of x to the power of n only. N into x to the power of n minus 1 into, and again you write the derivative of, in brackets, nothing but what? D by dx of, otherwise you write d by dx of, remaining is what? X square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, d by dx of, first you write 3 into n into x to the power of n minus 1, and inside the brackets x square plus 3x plus 2 is there. You write the derivative of this. So d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 2. Therefore, the final answer is 3 into x square plus 3x plus 2 whole square into this value d by dx of x square 2x, d by dx of 3x plus 3, d by dx of 2 0. So the final answer is this. So therefore, the final answer of this you write what? 3 into 2x plus 3 x square plus 3x plus 2 whole square. It's a d by dx. Again, once I am explaining, d by dx of x to the power of n, n into x to the power of n minus 1 over. Next, again, you write the derivative of this. Inside the bracket, this term is there. You write the derivative of this. Same lost like x square plus 3x plus whole power 15. Y equal to x square plus 3x whole power 15. Now dy by dx we want to find. So d by dx of x square plus 3x whole power 15. Okay. Now it's in the form of d by dx of x to the power of n only. N into x to the power of n into x to the power of n minus 1. And again, inside the bracket, x square plus 3x is there. You write the derivative of this. D by dx of x square plus 3x. Shortcut. So 15 into x square plus 3x whole power 14. D by dx of x square plus 3x, 2x plus d by dx of 3x, 3 this. So for the final answer is what? 15 into 2x plus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 3x whole power 4. It's the final answers of all. So don't confuse at all. Do these two problems. Find d by dx of this. So y equal to x square minus 3 whole square. So dy by dx of this, what is the answer of this one? D by dx of x square minus 3 whole square. It's in the form of d by dx of x power n. So d by dx of x to the power of n into x to the power of n minus 1 into inside the bracket x square minus 3 is there. So d by dx of x square minus 3. So 2 into x square minus 3, 2 minus 1, 1. D by dx of x square minus 3, 2x only. Therefore 4x into x square minus 3. Otherwise, now second one, how can you solve? X square minus 3 whole power 9. So dy by dx of this, d by dx of x square minus 3 whole power 9. Now it's in the form of what? D by dx of x to the power of n. So n into x to the power of n minus 1 into n into x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of x square minus 3. So 9 into x square minus 3 whole power 8. D by dx of x square minus 3, 2x only. Therefore 9 into 2x, 18x into x square minus 3 whole power 8. Next, y equal to e power minus 3x into sine x. Find dy by dx of this. Next, y equal to x by x square plus 1 whole power half. Find dx. Babu, Mr. Keshav, I think you are sleeping now. It's a differentiation. इसमें constant of integration नहीं है, integration में है. Mr. Keshav, it's a differentiation problems, Nana. It's not integration. Don't forget, that's what I am telling. Don't confuse. You are confusing now. Supply UV rule and U by V rule. This one. First one derivative into second one plus second one derivative into first one. D by dx of e power minus 3x, e power minus 3x into minus 3 into sin x. D by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. Therefore, e power minus 3x is common. Then minus 3 sin x plus cos x. UV rule. So dy by dx of this u by v rule. First you write v, it's u is v square, x square plus 1 whole power of whole square. Okay. Into d by dx of first derivative into second one minus d by dx of second derivative into first one. Find it that. So d by dx of x is what? 1 here. So 1 into x square plus 1 whole power half minus d by dx of x square plus 1 whole power half value. So it's in the form of d by dx of x to the power of n only. N into x to the power of n minus 1 into n into x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of x square plus 1. In brackets, x square plus 1 is there. Write the derivative of this. Shortcut method. So half into x square plus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 minus of d by dx of x square plus 1 is what? 2x only. So 2 to cancel. Therefore, this value is what? X into x square plus 1 whole power minus of. So this value x into x square plus 1 whole power minus of remaining is x by here 2 to cancel x square plus 1. Therefore, the final answer is x square plus 1 whole power half minus x into x square into x square plus 1 whole power minus half by x square plus 1. Just leave it like that. Okay. It's the final answer of this. Again, if you want, if you simplify, you'll get the final answer again. Okay, this is the problems of differentiation. Differentiation of function of a function, differentiation of product of rule, and division also. And find these values once. So y equal to sine u, some sine u, find dy by dx. Next, y equal to cos u, find dy by dx. Y equal to some u cube, find dy by dx. Tell the answers first. Parametric differentiation, otherwise chain rule we say. Tell the answers of this. Right, very good. Cos u into du by dx, very good. Minus sin u into du by dx. Third one, 3u square into du by dx. Right, good. Because this y depends on u, but he is asking dy by dx. So clearly we are understanding that it's a parametric differentiation. Then you go right, y depends on u. That's why first you write dy by du into du by dx. Okay, so d by du of y is again sin u. As it is, you write this du by dx. D by du of sin u, cos u into du by dx. Okay, there is no confusion at all because it's a parametric differentiation. If, for example, it's asking directly y is equal to sin u, dv by du is what's cos u only. But it's asking what y is equal to sin u, but it's asking dy by dx. Then this type of differentiation is called parametric. Okay. Similarly, y equal to cos u. So y equal to cos u. So find dy by dx. Here y depends on u. So here dy is there. So chain rule you write dy by du into du by dx. So du cancel. Again we are getting the dy by dx only. So d by du of what is y? Cos u into du by dx. D by du of cos u minus sin u into du by dx. Next y equal to u power n dy by dx. So dy by dx, y depends on here u only. So if you want to find dy by du into du by dx. So d by du of what is y? U power n into du by dx. U cube I have given, right? So therefore 3u square into du by dx. It's a parametric. Write this all this. Y equal to tan u. Find dy by dx of this. So y depends on u. So your dy is there. So we y depends on u. So dy by du into du by dx. Therefore d by du of what is the y? Tan u into du by dx. D by du of tan u secant square u into what? Du by dx. So dy by dx of this, d by dx of e power u. So then we write what? Y depends on u, dy by du into du by dx. So d by du of what is y? E power u du by dx. D by dx of e power x only. So e power u into du by dx. Next, y equal to log u. Y depends on u. So find dy by dx of this. So d by dx of dy by du. Y depends on u into du by dx. That's it. Now we go for integrations also once. Find these problems. Don't confuse at all. It's plus c. So integral x square dx, x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integral 1 by x dx value log x. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Final answer plus c. Integral e power 2x plus 1 by x square. 1 by x square I am writing here x power minus 2 plus 1 by x dx. So this value how can write? Integral e power 2x dx, integral x power minus 2 dx plus integral 1 by x dx. So keep in mind here, integral e power 2x dx value is what? Imagine 2x is x. Integral e power x value e power x only, so e power 2x by x quotient 2. Otherwise, you write e power 2x by d by dx of 2x, anything that is. In case of differentiation, you will get multiplication. Okay. In case of integration, whatever power is there, we differentiate it and divide only. In differentiation, multiplication we are getting. So d by dx of 2 power x. If you take d by dx of e power 2x, what's the value of this? We know that d by dx of e power 2x is what? E power 2x into d by dx of 2x. It's a multiplication. So e power 2x into 2. Okay. It's a differentiation. But in case of integration, we divide. That's a difference. Remaining everything is same. Integral e power 2x dx, you write what? E power 2x by d by dx of 2x. Okay. That's why e power 2x by x quotient is what? D by dx of 2x is 2. So simply x quotient is what? 2 only. Like that you should write it. So therefore, integral e power 2x dx, e power 2x by x quotient is what? 2. Otherwise d by dx of 2x, 2 only, plus x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x basic. Therefore e power 2x by 2 plus x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus log x. If you simplify here, e power 2x by 2 plus into minus minus x power minus 1 plus log x basic. Like that you should. Now fourth problem, integral 1 by 2x plus 3 dx. Write the value of, it's in the form of integral 1 by x dx log x 2x plus 3 by x quotient 2. D by dx of log 2x, integrate this, imagine this is x here, integral 1 by x dx log x log 2x plus 3 x quotient 2. Otherwise, by you write what? D by dx of 2x plus 3. D by dx of 2x plus 3 also 2 only. That's why x quotient is 2 plus c. The last one, integral cos 4x plus 3 dx. Imagine 4x plus 3 is a x. Integral cos x dx sin x. Sin 4x plus 3. For the x quotient here 4. Otherwise you write d by dx of 4x plus 3. Therefore we are getting sin 4x plus 3 by d by dx of 4x plus 3 what? 4 only plus you write this. Just we write x quotient only here because d by dx of 4x plus 3 is 4. Shortcut. Otherwise we go by substitution method. You take z is what? 4x plus 3. Then we go by substitution method. Like that. So definite integrations. Integral e power x dx. Limits varying from minus 1 to plus 1. Integral cos x dx. Limits varying from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Integral 0 to 3 x square plus 3x plus 5 dx. We'll find these three values. First, therefore integral e power x dx value, e power x only, limits varying from -1 to +1. Therefore you write what? Instead of x you write 1, instead of x you write -1, in between them you will put minus. Instead of x you write 1, instead of x you write -1, in between them put minus. So e power -1, e power e only, minus e power -1, 1 by e. So this is the final answer. Next, integral cos x dx, limits varying from -pi/2 to +pi/2. Integral cos x dx sin x only, limits varying from -pi/2 to +pi/2. Pi/2 is 90 degrees. So instead of x you write pi/2, sin pi/2, minus, instead of x you write -pi/2. Okay, instead of x you write pi/2, minus, instead of x you write -pi/2. Sin pi/2 is 1, minus and minus plus. So this is you write what? Sin pi/2 plus sin pi/2. It's 1 plus 1, 2 here. Next one, integral x square plus 3x plus 5 dx. So integral x square plus 3x plus 5 dx. So right here, integral x square dx plus integral 3x dx plus integral 5 dx. Therefore, x power 3 by 3 plus 3 into x square by 2 plus 5 into integral dx, 5x. Limits varying from 0 to 3. So instead of x, you write what? 3 here. 3 cube by 3 plus 3 by 2 into. Instead of x, you write what? 3 plus 5 into 3. Minus, instead of x, you write what? 0 plus 3 into 0 square by 2 plus 5 into 0. The final answer is what? 27 by 3. 3 by 2 into 9 plus 50. So 3 nines here. 9 plus 3 nines, 27 by 2 plus 50. So 9 plus 13.5 plus 15. Simplified. 24. 24 plus 13.37.5. Okay. So this is the models of all the problems of differentiation, indefinite integration, definite integration. Okay. So like that we should solve everybody. So don't confuse at all. I cover all the models what we discussed in case of differentiation, in case of indefinite integration, in case of definite integration, what we covered, everything we should cover here. Okay. So based on that we should follow everybody then. Right? Thank you. Thank you very much.